Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to make your Windows 11 look clean, minimal and feels like macOS without changing your system or doing anything complicated. We're going to customize everything step by step, from the dock icons, taskbar to the overall layout and smooth modern look. By the end of your desktop feel fresh, elegant and distraction free. Don't worry if you're new to customization, this guide is super easy to follow and I'll walk you through every single step, and this is what your desktop will look like after end of this video. Simple, clean, modern and absolutely beautiful. So let's dive into the video. Hey, welcome back to Windows 11 customization tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to show you that how to make your Windows 11 feels like macOS. First of all, you have to download this folder and these files. Links are given in the description box. And one more thing, this customization doesn't consume much RAM or other resources. First, you have to go to this folder and set your wallpaper. Just right click on it and then click on set as desktop background. And first of all, we're going to set up the dock. To set up the dock, first install this Nexus dock. Then uncheck this launch Nexus and click on finish, and then go to this folder. Then go to this Nexus dock folder and unzip this file. Go to this folder, then copy this macOS Tahoe icon. Just copy it and paste it into your C drive. Then go to this Nexus dock folder again and open this theme folder and copy these theme files. Then click on documents, go to step, go to Nexus, go to background and paste it here. Then double click on this Nexus icon to run Nexus dock. Then click on Nexus icon, click on advanced and then click on restore. And then go to this Nexus dock folder again and select this dock backup file. Then click on apply and OK. Okay, now you have to install this tool called Windhawk. Links are given in the description box. Just download and install it. After installation, you'll see interface like this. Now click on browse for mods. First, we are going to install Windows 11 taskbar styler. Click on details and install it. Then open this folder, go to Windhawk config file and copy this taskbar styler script. Click on advanced and paste it here. Then click on save. Okay, then search for taskbar on top. Click on details, install it. And then install taskbar height and icon size. Click on details and install it. Okay, now go to this folder again. Open Windhawk config file and copy this taskbar height and icon size config. Click on advanced and paste it here. Then click on save. Then right click on this taskbar and click on taskbar settings. Click on taskbar VVR and taskbar alignment center to left. Then install Windows 11 statement styler. Click on details and install it. Open this folder, open Windhawk config file and copy statement styler script. Click on advanced and paste it here. Then click on save. Okay, now I'm going to apply the icon pack. To apply the icon pack, first install resources redirect, click on details and install it. Then go to this folder, open icon pack folder and unzip this icon pack. Then copy this folder, go to this PC, C drive and paste it here. Then right click on this folder and click on copy as path. Open Windhawk, click on settings and paste it here and remove this quotation mark and click on save. Right click on taskbar, click on task manager and search for Windows 11 Explorer. Right click on it, click on restart. Okay, to fix these folders, just go to this folder, go to extras and right click on this disable folder thumbnail previews and click on run as administrator and click on run. Now I'm going to apply the blur effect. To apply the blur effect, I'm going to use this tool called Blur Mica. Extract files, then cut this folder, go to this PC and paste it into C drive. And open this config file and then go to this folder, go to extras and copy these config files and replace it. Then click on file and save. Go to C drive, open Blur Mica folder, then right click on this register and click on run as administrator. Then click on OK. So it will apply the blur effect. Now open Windhawk again and search for Windows 11 Explorer styler. Click on details and install it. Click on settings and for the theme, select liquid glass and click on save. Okay, if you want to make your Windows 11 Explorer similar like macOS, you can use a custom macOS theme. So I'm not going to use any custom theme in this video. Okay, now click on Explorer again and search for hide home gallery and OneDrive in Explorer. Click on details and install it. To add some animation, you can try this Windows 11 File Explorer WinUL like content animation. Click on details and install it. Okay, now I'm going to show you that how much RAM or resources use this customization. As you can see, Windhawk doesn't consume much RAM or other resources. Now, if you want to remove this stuff, just go to Control Panel and uninstall Nexus Dock and uninstall Windhawk as well. So it will remove the rest of the stuff. And that's it for today. So I hope you like this video. If you found this video helpful, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next customization video.